Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet Adventures Garden Update Midwinter, February. It's actually here, Central Florida. It's pretty much coming in spring, but it did turn cold, get some rain last night. Just want to show you what's going on with the garden. We had a huge storm come through here last night. It did give us a little bit of rain. We've got now, we've already harvested all of our broccoli, cauliflower. Still got some mustard greens. And now we've planted all of our sweet onions. A little later than I expected, but I was waiting on plants to come in. My normal place sold out in about the first 3 days. So I had to wait for them to get them at Lowe's. So we planted about 150 sweet onions. And I fertilized those right before the rain came in. And you can see over here we have our collard greens. Last video we were just planting those. They've been doing okay. I mean, when I plant them in the ground they get a lot bigger. I've been throwing a fertilizer to them. It's been really dry. They don't really like city water too much. Thought about one of these days maybe drilling a small irrigation well back here. The Swiss chard have done really good. We just picked those last night. That's why they're looking a little sparse. Getting a little bug damage there, but I can live with that versus spraying them. So this is low impact, not organic. There are green onions. Our sage bush right here is, I don't know, it's just really getting bushy, but I guess it doesn't really matter. It's making plenty of leaves. Our basil's trying to go to flower on us. And there's those Chinese cabbage that you seen us plant last time. They're just starting to close up the heads on them now. And been having to keep the water to them also. And again, I fertilized all this stuff before the rain hit last night. It was really windy. That's why this thing is kind of, might need to chop that down a little bit. Actually too. Somebody asked me what the bottoms of these beds were. Well, they're not, they don't have bottoms. These racks just hold the window boxes by the lip. They don't sit on the bottom. They only sit on this lip. They sit on the rim of the lip of the box. We made these specifically for these boxes. Now some of them need to be, these racks need to be modified a little bit. Make sure I have them in between also. But yeah, it's working okay. Some of these are getting ready to be rebuilt probably after the winter garden is done. So if we do that, or when we do that, we'll show you how to do it. Okay. All right. So let's go check on another important part of the garden. And these guys over here, these are red sex links. And they get all the picked over leaves from the garden, and they also provide manure for us to put in the compost barrel to help with the composting all the leaves and grass clippings and stuff. Yeah, so that's garden update. And if you guys over on this channel didn't hear, our little dog Makita passed away a couple weeks ago, and here's where she's buried. I made that nice little plaque for her.